Hello again. I just traded in my Xbox, and the reason, not my 360, obviously that's still sitting right there. My regular Xbox, and the reason being is because the two last games I was waiting for to become backwards compatible finally became backwards compatible. So I got the extra cash by trading in my Xbox, and while I did lose, all my save data from my games like that, it wasn't really too important. Nothing really major on there. But the main reason and the primary game that I did all this for, well, I'll give you guys a hint. Here's my hint. Gotta take that cord out so I can freaking reach. Okay. Here's your hint. Can you see it? Do you see him yet? Here, look a little closer. You see that? Yeah, that's right. The one's on the right. Check it out. Panzer Dragoon, Panzer Dragoon 2, Panzer Dragoon Saga, which I know a lot of you are probably jealous of my ownership of. Oh yeah. I'm a little bit vain right now, so leave me alone. So there's your hints, which any person who knows about Panzer knows that the next game in the series is Panzer Dragoon ORTA, which came out for the original Xbox not too long ago, or back in like '02, I believe. And it's honestly one of my favorite games of all time, and I am about to get ready to play it again here for the first time on my 360, and I just thought I'd let you all in on the fun. Now, first things first is that I haven't played this game in a long time, so forgive me if I'm a little rusty. Second thing is I haven't played this game in a long time, so I want to enjoy it, and I want to get absorbed in it all over again. And to do that, I won't want to ruin it with, silly, witty commentary. So I apologize for that, but for those of you interested in knowing what one of the best games out there for whether it's next gen or current gen or whatever, then just take a gander at this. And the other reason I'm doing this is because a friend of mine just recently started playing it, and he's having a little trouble. So hopefully he'll be able to watch this and get into it. Hopefully this plays pretty flawlessly on the 360. I read that when it first started, it would freeze up at level 3. I don't know if that was just the PAL version or what, but yeah. But I guess there's an update and it got fixed, and the only real problem now is a little bit of slowdown during the FMVs. So this is it. This is it. I'm very, very excited. Good God, I love this game. Alright, let's just get to it. Oh, and before I begin, this is a on-rail shooter. I guess for people that don't know what that genre is, think of Star Fox 64 or something like that. Except just, the greatest game ever. Now, I have no save data, so I'm going to have to start a new game here. And just for the sake of my recent inexperience with it, I'll just go normal. Now I'm going to look right here. Let's see if you can read that. No, it looks like you can't read that, so I'll have to edit around these subtitles and stuff, because the whole game is actually spoken in a fictional language of Panzerian. So I don't know, maybe you can read that. I'll just take the chance and assume that you guys can read that, okay? Alright, cool. I'm going to turn my brightness down a little bit. I hope you guys got all that.
gli apprehenderò storia causa, hominus che, e chile, tom, tumores, metascan, flow.
Those are the dragon mares, by the way. And that would be our lovely Orta. And so this Panzer saga continues. What? Oh god, never mind. Alright, so here comes the first level, City in the Storm. The game is played with a full 360-degree perspective. You'll see me change directions of aiming throughout every level. You see a little cursor there, that's what you use to aim at your targets. You lock on and you can use your standard homing attack, or you can just tap the A button to use your gun laser. You got your radar in the top left that tells you where enemies are coming from. Typically you want to use your gun for enemy fire and the dragon's lasers just for standard attacking. Damn it, missed one. For killing certain enemies, you get little DNA things that level up your dragon's forms, and I'll show you the forms in just a minute. The red bar at the bottom is my health. The yellow bars show how many berserks I can do. Berserks are just your ultimate attacks. And then that little diagonal meter represents... oh wait, I'm sorry. The yellow bars are your turbo, and then the diagonal bar is your berserk meter. Using just the triggers, you can just switch directions seamlessly. so you get a full view of the action. Enemies come in at all sides. So now I've got my Berserk set and ready to go. But there's still one more thing I have to show you guys. You can change forms with the press of a Y button. And your dragon has 3 forms. This is the heavy form. The form you saw before is the base form. Each one serves their own specific purpose. Heavy is just for huge firepower, not a lot of maneuverability. The base wing is just for all around moving and firing. And then there's one more wing called the glide wing, which is this wing right here. This is for the best movement you can get, and the weapon that you get with the glide wing is just a rapid fire laser. You saw with the base wing you get a standard homing attack that can target several targets, and then the heavy wing can only target 3 targets at first. As you level up each wing, you get stronger, faster, better, just like the $6 Million Man. The appearance of the wings will also change. Most levels have several different parts to them. And then levels also have a boss. And this will be the boss of the first level. Bosses are usually pretty epic. And I'm very fond of the base wing, so I like to use it as much as I can. As you can see, bosses usually have a lot more firepower to them. So there goes that boss. Now the environments in this game are spectacular as well. We're going to go from this gritty, dark... Hey, rank A, that's pretty good. We're going to go from this gritty, dark city of destruction to a lavish forest in the second level. It's very, very nice.